How to use a Target gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Visnel, and today I'll guide you on how you can use a Target gift card online. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Now you can redeem or use your Target gift card on the Target website or the Target application as well. In here I'll be showing it here on the browser. You can see I've headed into target.com. If you want to do it on your browser, you can open up your browser and head into target.com, and there you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll get an face somewhat like this. You want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find beside the cart icon at the right hand side. You can see there at the top. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see below circle options there, gift cards option. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you can see gift cards. I have no gift cards. You can see the plus icon at the right hand side of the screen. You can tap on it. Once you tap on it, there it'll load up. You'll have to add in your card number and access number and then tap on add. Once you do so, your gift card will be added to your account, right? So this way you can use a Target gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.